Even if you don't take ice cream like my husband, this one you will ask for more, just like him. Stay tuned and enjoy watching. Thank you so much for watching. To my returning subscribers, I truly appreciate you coming back to watch my video. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thanks for watching. Let me share an honest small talk with you while you pay attention to the recipe, okay? Now, the last time I shared my strawberry ice cream on this channel, it was so good. For real, it was good. Now I was tasty of mango ice cream. So I decided to make that at work because I had what I need there. So I made that ice cream. It was very simple. So I shared to my colleague. Everybody kept coming back and asked, I didn't know you have ice cream machine at home. I would say I don't have ice cream machine at home. The other ones will still come and ask, you came with ice cream from home? I said, no, I made this ice cream here not long ago. When did you do it? How fast was that? And the question kept coming. Some people didn't believe I did that ice cream myself, okay, to be honest with you. So I then said, okay, I'm going to share this recipe. Please go to my channel and check it out. Now, this is what I have for you, lovelies. It's so simple. Making this ice cream didn't take me not more than 20 minutes. It's very simple. Now, what I will do here, just as you saw earlier, I will introduce my milk in a pot and let it come to a simmer. In a bowl, introduce your 4 egg yolks. The egg whites, you can use it for omelette, you can use it for all different, you can use it to bake, okay, so don't worry about that. Then you want to go in with your granulated sugar. We are going for lesser sugar, okay, that's another good thing about this ice cream, okay. And then I went in with salt, half a teaspoon, and vanilla essence or vanilla sugar. So stir everything together in your bowl, okay. Now, before your milk starts cooking, please take it off the flame and pour in your egg, your stirred egg and sugar. Now, while you're pouring that, you want to go bit by bit. Please do not pour everything at a time because you want to bring the two temperature in one, okay. If you pour everything, you will end up having scrambled eggs. So just drop a little bit, use your whisker and stir, drop and stir, okay. If you achieve your base already, your custard base, pour back in a pot, okay. You saw that already. Pour in a pot. It was very light. Now you want to cook this. It took me about 10 minutes. Just cook on a low heat to give you this beautiful consistency that you are seeing right now, okay. So after achieving this consistency, get your sieve and strain out. We just want to skip anything, any particles in this custard base. Now set this aside for now and let it cool down. Do not refrigerate to cool down. You let it cool down on room temperature. Do you know you can go for any flavor of your choice? You can go for banana or any other fruit of your choice. Today we are making use of mango. I canned one. The fresh one will be better, okay. If you have fresh one, please go for it. Now what I will do is to introduce my canned mango in a sieve just like this and then rinse it out. I will use this opportunity to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, you are still watching, thank you so much for doing that. I truly appreciate you. Please don't let this be your last time. Go ahead, check my channel for more recipes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. After mixing your mango, you can use your hand mixer or whatever mixer to do that, okay. Then you want to achieve a perfect mango puree. Again, introduce your cream in a bowl and whip, okay. Use what you have to whip to achieve your cream, your whipped cream, just like this. I will not forget to show you this lovelies. This is something that is common when it comes to mango, okay? Those ropes. So if you don't want to have that, please go ahead and use the sieve to strain it out. If not, you can skip it. Now that our egg base or custard base has cooled down completely, I mean, introduce your whipped cream and stir generously. Make sure it is well combined. And then you want to introduce your flavor, any flavor of your choice. Like for today, my mango puree. So if you haven't seen my recipe of strawberry ice cream, you need to go check it out. Okay, I will leave the link up on the screen. Please check that recipe. It is something similar, but the recipes are different. Okay, the measurements are different, so you need to check that out. It was another interesting and delicious ice cream. This is the interesting part about this. Those mango, we didn't add any food coloring to boost or whatever. Just your mango, it's just is enough for it. We went for lesser sugar. The cream is not much. So basically we have milk and egg, and then your fruits. As you already saw also, we went for enough fruit. So it is fruity ice cream, okay? Very delicious one. You want to grab your loaf pan and introduce your ice cream, bring it to the freezer and let it sit for 30 minutes first. Okay, this one you're seeing here is just the rest of the mango puree I just introduced on top, and then bring to the freezer and let it sit for 30 minutes. The first 30 minutes, bring it out and stir it again, and then bring back. You want to do this for at least 3 times. Okay, this is very important to do because this will prevent the crystal ice in your ice cream. Okay, this will give you that creamy ice cream that you want. And I promise you guys, if you are my follower and you haven't tried this recipe, you still buy ice cream, you are missing, because it's really budget friendly. Okay, you don't need to spend spend much to get your ice cream done at home, and everybody will love you. Now this is the second time, which is 1 hour later, that I'm stirring this ice cream. This is the third time now. After this time, I will use plastic foil and cover it up, bring back to the freezer and let it continue to stay at least 7 to 8 hours. Okay, after then you are ready to enjoy your homemade ice cream without any machine. Very creamy and super tasty, very fruity. Now to my German speaking viewers, also für meine deutschsprachige Zuseher, in kurz gefasst, das ist eine einfache, schnelle, ausgemachte Mango-Eis. Ich werde gesagt, es ist eine gesunde Variante, indem es ist sehr wenig Zucker drinnen, sehr wenig Schlagobers, keine Konservierungsmittel, keine Geschmackverstärkung. Es ist wunderbar. Eher die gesunde Zutaten wie Eiertorte, frische Milch und dann die Früchte dabei. Der Geschmack ist unglaublich. Es ist sehr cremig und schnell zum Zubereiten. Ich wünsche euch viel Glück beim Nachmachen. Bitte den Daumen hoch nicht vergessen zum Drücken. Danke an ihr alle. Thank you all so much, guys. 7 hours later, this is what our ice cream looks like. So what I did after 7 hours is just bring it out from the freezer, bring to the fridge to stay for maybe 2 to 5 minutes before serving. You can leave this in your freezer for at least months. Every time you want to serve, just bring in the fridge, let it stay 2 minutes, 3 minutes, serve and enjoy. Please don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to like. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.